Hey everyone, it's Twisted Truth Sin. How you guys all doing? This video is for Kaylee, Maddie, Ethan, and Xana. About Chef Dizzy at the Grub truck. On the night of the murders, I'm sure there's some discrepancies. First, I got home a little late because I was talking to one of my co-workers after work. Got home from work at approximately 1:30 a.m. that Sunday. The neighborhood was really quiet. It was kind of bizarre. He went through his normal wind-down routine after getting home late from work. Fed his cat, drank tea, played video games, practiced his hobby of stick juggling. He went to bed at what he estimates was about 4 a.m. He thought he heard a scream coming from the vicinity of his neighbor's house. He thought it was a party sound, which wasn't out of the ordinary. I didn't think anything of it. Days after November 13th, he remembered the scream. Harsh was asked if he told the Moscow police about the scream. He stated, "I'm not sure what good it does for them now." On Monday, December 12th, Harsh, aka I Data When You Sleep, posted an AMA on Reddit. "My passion for cooking often leaves me partly used bottles of wine that will go bad. This one was particular high quality and I didn't want it to go to waste." This is a picture of inside of his apartment, a gallon of Carlo Rossi $5.99, ka-ching. And since they were up and I was already outside, I decided I should give it to them. Mostly just to get rid of it and not see it go to waste. My neighbors seemed really cool and I wanted to meet them. A Redditor asked, "Why would you be bringing your underage neighbor's wine?" And he says, "Kaylee got back from the bar and was over 21. She had an open beverage container in her hand before I arrived." Did Chef Dizzy conveniently develop selective amnesia? Fact, on November 13th, he did not arrive home at 1:30 a.m. because he was at the Grub truck. Let's take a look. He arrives around 1:22 a.m. You'll see him do a handoff to someone. When he arrives, he's with his friends Marta and Caitlin. Let's take a listen.
I'm doing fantastic. What's on good?
Can I get some down smile in my mouth?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Can I do this?
Yes.
Can we make sure that she's nice and wet?
Hold on. I would never get.
She's always wet.
It has to be. Two Don's moms and then a 5 cheese with bacon is 350. Oh, beautiful. My demon child, you know it. Oh, we're 66. No, that's all.
We're only 600 away from 66.
The price of chicken has gone up a lot.
So close. So close.
So, Harsh left for a road trip on the 16th. Koberger went the other way on the 15th. Inan Harsh was down in San Francisco at Love on Hate, December 17th. He's cut his hair. He has the same belt, same jeans, same shoes. When Kaylee and Maddie arrive, he's standing in the shadows, waiting for his food, but never mentions that to anyone.
Here's Mountain Dew and order 80. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello.
I need 2 chicken burritos with extra slaw.
2 chicken burritos with extra.
Okay, so to me, it doesn't appear that Maddie or Kaylee recognize him. If he had brought wine over to their house, they would have at least said hi, and he doesn't acknowledge them either, so it's pretty obvious that they don't know who he is. So this is definitely, in my opinion, Chef Dizzy Inan Harsh. He's wearing the same shoes in San Francisco that he is at the Grub truck. I'm not saying Harsh is guilty of anything. I'm not saying his friends are guilty of anything. I'm having a hard time figuring out why no one has ever addressed the fact that he was at the Grub truck at the same time as Kaylee and Maddie. There's his shoes on the floor right there behind him at work. I don't understand why you would insert yourself into such a tragedy, and it's horrific, and make a mockery out of it. When he didn't get the recognition and the pats on the back that he wanted, then he really started trying to play little mind games, and he's not that smart. So when he didn't get a gold star on his forehead, he started calling everybody internet sleuth crackheads. Unbelievable.